So I'm too hungry. So will you make some food for me?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, come on in.
Arigato. Thank you.
I'll
Yes.
make ramen for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Ramen. Wow.
Wow.
わお、わあ、綺麗。わお、すごい。わあ、so everything you made it.
Yeah.
わあ。
So a lot of them are.
こんにちは。
こんにちは。
はじめまして。私はマリナです。エストニア人です。22歳です。日本語が少しできます。どうぞよろしくお願いします。ラーメンを作ろう。
ラーメンを作ろう。
Hi, so for ramen we need a lot of ingredients, so you can see them here. For chicken broth I use water. Also I use concentrated chicken broth that I found in the store. I add there hot pepper paste. I think that's Korean here. And it's called gochujang. Also I put there aromatic oil that I make myself in advance. Here is ginger, scallions, vegetable oil, and also spices. Apart from that, I put in the chicken broth Tare sauce. It's made of shitake mushrooms. Also I put there kombu. And there is also soy sauce and mirin. And this is amazing sauce that I always add to the ramen. So, in the end, I add miso paste. And I have here dark miso paste and white miso. So, and in the other ingredients that I add to ramen is, for example, vegetables. I can add carrot, bok choy. So I add also shitake mushrooms and tamago, and also scallions. And to make it more beautiful, I add sesame seeds. And who is not vegan, it's very nice when you add also meat. Today will be pork. And yes, that's all. Let's make ramen. So first we need to make broth. And for that we use 1.5 liters of water. Okay. It's so difficult to find something Japanese, to find Japanese ingredients in our stores.
Yes.
Aromatic oil. So
you made this.
mhm.
Wow, good made.
So to make it, I grate some ginger, cut scallions, and put them in a bowl and add some spices.
Yeah, spices.
Then I heat up vegetable oil on the stove, and when it gets to the temperature 180, that's hot, but it doesn't boil. You won't see any. Yeah, you won't see any bubbles. So it's very hot, and you just pour it into the ginger and this combination, scallion, and so your aromatic oil is ready, and you just leave it for 2-3 hours, and so it cools down, and then you can use it. Yeah. So
Herbal oil. Handmade herbal oil. Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
So we use 1 teaspoon of this.
Yes.
And we start boiling our water. Then we add chicken broth. Yeah. So I use 3 tablespoons.
This one. Like.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. At the same time, I will add shitake mushrooms.
Yeah.
So so I will boil them. They will be cooked. We add
はい
hot pepper paste.
いやコチュじゃんコチュじゃん
Do you like spices? Do you like spicy food?
spicy. How often do you make the ramen?
Every 2 weeks, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I really like it.
Why do you like ramen?
I like it because it's Japanese food and it's so tasty, and I really like the combination of tastes there, and pork and spices, and I love noodles as well. So it's amazing. It's amazing soup you make in Japan. I know that in every prefecture, in every town in Japan, there is their own recipe of ramen. Yes.
So in a lot of restaurants, ramen.
So now we will add some tare sauce that I made especially for ramen.
Yeah. Tare sauce.
I take a bowl. I add there around 700 milliliters of water, and I add there shitake mushrooms and kombu. And I leave it overnight, and in the morning I come to the kitchen and take it, pour it in the pot and put it on the stove. So I put it boiling, and I take out the kombu and shitake, and also there occurs foam, so I take it out also, and then I add 2 cups of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of mirin.
Mirin.
Yeah, and a little bit I boil it, and then I filter it, and tare sauce is ready. Yeah, so you can use it.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
we will take 200 milliliters. So in the end we will add miso paste, but it will be in the end, I think.
No, again.
Yeah, because I've heard that you cannot boil the soup with the miso. Yeah?
Yes, because if the miso will be too much boiling, so the smell and taste is go away.
Yes. Okay, really.
So when
そうですか。
そうです。そうです。信州味噌。信州味噌がここでエストニアにありました。きめ細やかですっきりとした味わい。So, this is the black dark miso. これはそっちのエストニアの日本食が売ってるお味噌。すごい彼女の肉を使ってます。Wow. So, and you mix the miso, dark one and white one.
Yeah. So
Nice. はい。
So now we will. I like it. Very nice. Okay, so now we will boil some vegetables.
はい。
And bok choy, and boil also eggs, tamago.
あー、卵。
Yeah.
はい。
So okay, let's start from
Okay.
bok choy. So we have to clean it.
すごい。めっちゃいい匂い。
I usually add some salt. Okay. And I cut bok choy, and also we have to cut some carrots. So I cut it into sticks.
はい。
Okay, it will take some time.
Hi.
Oh, maybe 2 minutes.
はい。
Would you like tea? Okay, so I have so
があります。
お茶お菓子お茶とお菓子 Okay, so it's 3 minutes left. Okay, so we start frying our pork.
Oh, yes.
And third one.
はい。
1, 2, 3.
1、2、3。ウクスカクスコルム。
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Один, два, три.
1, 2, 3.
Два.
2.
Один, два, три.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, so now we need to add scallion on the top and sesame seeds. And that's all.
わーい。食べれる。
食べる。
食べる。
できました。
できました。ラーメン。
できました。
できました。
So in his Eric, his has boyfriend Eric.
こんにちは。
So okay, let's eat. I wanna eat. I'm so hungry.
いただきます。
あ、いただきます。あ、スパイシー。
Yeah.
スパイシー。but
とてもスパイシー。
スパイシー。おいしい。This noodle is so good for ramen.
Yeah.
Wow. And
They're especially for ramen. So
おいしい。めっちゃおいしい。
it's so nice.
ありがとう。ごちそうさまでした。マリナのラーメンはめっちゃ美味しい。マジで美味しい。もう食べに来てください。本当に。もっとこれ。